What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today we're going to have a little bit of a unique experience. We're going to go into an ice bar, and we're going to see some robots make some drinks. Let's go. Welcome to the Europe Series 2022. I'm Eric B from Travel Adventures with Eric B. If you're new here, I offer travel advice. I'm a solo traveler, and I do vlogs to help you travel better and more efficient. So on my birthday, on my way to Charles Bridge for my live stream, I decided to stop off when I saw this robotic bar, which is very unique. So I made a decision to come and check this bar out. The cool thing about it, it's in two parts. First of all, it's a robotic bar, which we're going to go check out first, where robots make your drinks. Now, if you order a drink, you can watch the robots make it and enjoy the experience. Or if someone else orders a drink, you can sit back and watch that as well. And it doesn't cost a penny to watch. And the second part of it is an ice bar, where you're going to see momentarily that they give you coats and gloves to go in, and it's freezing cold in the bar. And that's also a wonderful experience, but we'll get to that later. Right now, we're going to start with the robot bar. And there's the list of drinks right there. There's a lot of drinks that the robots can make. You comb through, pick your drink out, and just enjoy the show. Okay, folks, so put in an order for my drink to go with vodka and juice. So we're going to see them mix this vodka and juice shortly. enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming up in this great European series of 2022. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace! And travel. Lots and lots of travel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Leave any comments below. I love to interact and help us to continue to grow as a travel community.